back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix message notification not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on messages app, click on message app, click on force stop and click on OK. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb and make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.